We are excited to announce the launch of our new support ticketing system, designed to streamline and enhance our support services across all regions. This system will serve as the single point of contact for all support-related inquiries and issues, ensuring a more efficient and organized approach to addressing your needs. This tutorial will guide you how to get and track support for our Umetrics products in our support platform, Sartorius.com. The tutorial will take about 3 minutes and is divided into 2 parts. First part is for anyone that does not have an account already for Sartorius, and second part is how to request support in Sartorius.com. Let's start with browsing to the support portal. In your favorite web browser, enter my.sartorius.com. If you do not have an account yet, click the Create Your Sartorius ID button. You will now have to add your name, work email address, and in which country that you work in. After you have read and accepted the terms of use, you can click the Create Sartorius ID button that will send a mail to your entered work email address. Open your email client for the work email address that you entered earlier and click the Set Password Now button. Clicking the link will take you to mysartorius.com, where you need to create a password for your account with the given password rules. Once this is done, your Sartorius ID account has been successfully created. For us, and your company IT, to get an overview over each company's support errands, we recommend that you also link your Sartorius ID to your company. If you have an order, you will see your customer number on it and can use that in combination with the order number to link your account. Otherwise, you will need to do it manually by entering the company name, phone, and address. You are now ready to add your support errand. To get support, click Create New under My Requests. This will take you to a page where you can get support for a range of Sartorius products. If it has to do with Umetrics software products, then please first click the Products button and then expand the drop-down Software Support. Here, you will first select for which product to get support for, and then add the version number of the product. Answer the question, "What do you have a problem with?" and then please describe the issue as best as possible. If you have any screenshots or documents of the issue, then please also upload those. Click Send Request. Now your errand is in, and you can follow its progress in the dashboard start page of mysartorius.com in the My Requests section. Thank you for choosing Sartorius as your partner.